Where are you at, 18s? The P-Pop Kings SB19 are in Cebu City this Saturday, October 1, 2022 to bring their Where Are You At? WYAT Tour in the Queen City of the South. Pablo, Josh, Stell, Ken, and Justin, the SB19 members, reiterates the importance of connection amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. Though their musical journey was challenged during the pandemic, eventually, it became their inspiration to create great music.
We just based it on the music itself. So, sa concept ni Pablo nung ginagawa niya yung music, he wants it na parang kinoconnect niya ito something from the past. And in relation of connection, yun po yung wala tayo ngayon due to pandemic and yung pag-advance ng ating technology. So from there, doon po kami nakaisip ng idea.
Yun nga po, well, the song is basically about reconnection. And it has been said by Justin na talagang nagdaan tayo sa pandemic. Iba talaga yung dala or sayang na ibibigay kapag nakikita mo yung mga tao na kaibigan mo, yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Yes, technology is good, pero meron din namang bad sides yan.
The boys went on to say that their songs reflect their life's journey and that all their musical masterpieces are interconnected. Following the successful launch of their WYAT Tour in Araneta Coliseum in September, the boys are eager to bring their music and groove to Cebu. This October, SB19 will also be performing in Clark and Davao City before the start of the international leg of their tour starting in Dubai, New York, Los Angeles, Singapore, and San Francisco.
Well, actually, napansin po naman talaga namin na nag-enjoy sila. And honestly, this tour, it's been actually the largest preparation that we've had. And we're very thankful na na-appreciate po ng mga 18, hindi lang po 18 but casuals as well. And we're hoping na maging successful ang buong tour and hopefully tulad na nangyari sa Manila na sold out ang kick-off concert namin. Hopefully lahat din po ng tours namin all over the world or let's say from Philippines muna ma-sold out din po.
With the growing support they are receiving from the public, SB19 is also open to collaborate with local and international artists.
Siyempre po, we will be more than willing to take that opportunity po. Lalo na po pag lumabas po kami ng bansa. Actually, napag-uusapan po namin to eh. Kasi dun po sa concert po namin, we have songs that we covered. So parang we hope na sana makamit or hopefully makita namin yung mga singers or yung artists ng kanta na yun and hopefully get to.
Di pa po namin talaga alam kasi sabi nga rin po ni Pao, pag nakalabas po kami ng bansa, doon po namin nafe-feel na kahit papano may opportunity po na dadating and we're very open to accept anything po and kung meron man magiging happy kami, kung wala happy pa rin po kasi ang goal po talaga namin is to make a successful concert po. And siguro yung mga collaborations, projects po abroad, magiging bonus na lang po siya sa amin. And kung meron man po talagang big time talagang gusto makapag-collab sa amin, sobrang magiging happy po kami.
Sa lahat ng ng possibility na pwede na mo as a group kasi of course we want to be better each day, hindi lang like we're good ngayon and tomorrow we're still good. We want to be good today and then tomorrow we get better.
The group is also planning to make a documentary or series of their first world tour. And for the 18s out there, the group is cooking another music video, hopefully will be released before the year ends. This has been Angelica Fay Saniel for My TV Cebu.
SB19.